Hi everyone, Juice Man Yost coming at you from New Orleans here, where we're building a juice and smoothie truck from scratch on a big 18-foot box truck, a Chevrolet P30. I'm just going to walk through. We just almost finished with the electrical, so we're going to walk through just the basics of what we've done so far. We started out with this 50 amp electrical outlet. It's an RV outlet rated for 50 amps, which is what we need for our bus. It's Reliance brand, so it's pretty high quality and nice and weatherproof. You can get on Amazon. So from the plug goes through some conduit underneath the bus, through this wall in the corner to our electrical panel. So we open up this and we see that we have 9 different circuits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different circuits. And so how we determined how many circuits we needed is we kind of thought about what appliances we were going to be using here on the juice truck. So we knew that we needed 2 refrigerators, a deep freezer, some lights, air conditioner, and water heater, and all of our different wall outlets for blenders and juicers and the like. So we determined that we needed 8 different outlets to serve all of those purposes sufficiently. We added a 9th outlet that is a little bit bigger, a 240 30 amp breaker, for a bigger, very industrial juicer that we might put in the future. So there we have our outlets situated on the walls over various prep areas that we have going on, and the lower ones are for the refrigeration units. Coming over here, we have some loose wires because this is our circuit for the light and AC unit that needs to be hardwired, so that's why it's loose. We still got to cut a hole in the fiberglass right here to put in our air conditioning and heating unit. That's why this is kind of hanging out off the wall. The other part, our water heater right here, also has a loose wire. This is also on its own circuit. This is going to be the pump, the water pump, and the water heater. This needs to be hardwired into the water heater, so that's why it's kind of right here next to the unit. We have a Bosch mini tank electric 7-gallon water heater. We decided to go with this as opposed to like a propane on-demand water system because we wanted to go all electric on the bus to keep it real clean, no big propane tanks hanging off anywhere. So this is kind of the best option that we found for an electric unit. Heats 7 gallons of water in about 30 minutes or so, or at least it should. I guess we'll find out. Oh, here's another loose wire. This is going to be for the lights that go on the service window. That'll be right here. So this light switch will go to this wire that'll be hooked up to lights around the window. Over here we have light switch is going to go in right here. So this will be the main light switch for the whole bus. Put that in right there, and right when you walk in the door, it'll be above your head. You switch it on, and the whole bus will be illuminated with LED lights up above. And what else do we have going on in this electrical system? Oh yeah, going back over here. So we have our 50 amp, 50 foot extension cord with the standard 50 amp plug on one end that will hook up to a generator. This is kind of like what will come in a generator outlet or an RV hookup or anything like that on one end, and then we got it loose wires on the other end. Got this piece on Amazon as well. And we have this plug to install that we bought as part of the box, part of the plug-in box. We bought this plug to go on this wire. And so that will, we put, and then just in case we want to operate the juice and smoothie truck from home. So if we have orders we want to do, if we don't want to hit the street, but we have like delivery orders we want to make, we could actually work from the driveway, so we put in a 50 amp plug on the house over here. So we went ahead and added a 50 amp circuit to the house and put a plug right here in the driveway so that we can just hook the juice truck up in the driveway and work from home if we got some big orders we need to pump out and deliver or something. So that's it for the electrical. Stay tuned for more. What do you think, Neptune? Did a good job.